Guys, ngayon ay pupuntahan ko ang Zainab Saloon or Beauty Spa. Titingnan ko kung ano man ang kanilang style, ang kanilang pag-treat sa kanilang customer. Let's explore all the beauty salon or beauty spa today. Karamihan sa mga business person dito sa Kano, Nigeria ay mga Lebanese. So, itong Zainab Saloon ang pupuntahan ngayon ay Lebanese din ang may-ari. So, titingnan natin kung anong itsura ng kanyang beauty salon. So, wanna come with me? Let's go! So guys, pasok na po tayo dito po sa Zainab Saloon. So, dito po ay Zainab Saloon, Kano, Nigeria. So, this is another beauty salon in Kano. This is how they also do hair fixing. Hello. So this one is doing the hair. So the shop is very clean also, guys. So this is where they will sit. They will put hot water here if they want to do pedicure. They will also steam and scrub your feet before they do the manicure, pedicure, I mean. So these are the things. The seat can also do massage. This one too can do massage, right? The seats. So while you sit here and they're doing your foot spa, while they're cleaning your feet before you do the pedicure, then you're having the back massage. So you will feel relaxed. These are the nail polish. Different colors. And I'm sure the nail polish were all original. Okay. The diplomas. This is where they do the facial. Paper. So these are the stuff here. It's Madam Zainab's. So this is for hot hair, for steaming hair. Yeah. are the one, right? What I know is only I tell them this one. This is their disposable sleeper, right? For the pedicure. Yeah. So, if you come guys, they will allow you to use this one as a sleeper for temporary sleeper. See? Okay, so this is very nice. Last time my friend bring this one inside the car. We use Kekanape because it's using high heels.
So, itong tinuturo niya na to ay para sa daliri. Kapag ikaw ay magtanggal ng yung cutex, yan, isok mo yan. Pupunuin nila yan ng maraming, ano ba pangalan nito? Pantanggal sa cutex ba? Puno yan ng aceton para sa ganun matunaw yung cutex mo. Kasi dito uso yung, attachment na kanilang mga kuko. So, ito naman ay gusto na ipakita yung pag habang minamanicure ka, dinilinis yung iyong paa, magpapedicure ka, uupo ka dyan. Yung upuan na yan ay pwede mong hawakan yung remote control, tapos masahe yung iyong likod habang ikaw ay nakaupo dyan, minamasahe yung likod mo, habang kinakalikot naman yung paa mo, ini-scrub, linilinis, at pinipedicure ka. Yan. So, ngayon, ito naman ay sinabihan siya ng amo, ng may-ari ng salon na ipakita sa akin yung kung saan mo ibabad yung paa mo bago ka ma-pedicure. Kasi yan, lalagyan nila ng bubbles, tapos pag-iilawin yan, yung tubig, iba-iba ang kulay, ganun. Habang yung bubbles ay parang kumukulo, maging warm water yan. So, dyan nila ibababad yung kanilang paa at lilinisin muna, i-scrub muna yung paa mo, lalagyan ng lotion, ganun. Tapos, pagkatas niyan, patutuyuin yung paa mo bago ka i-pedicure. Hindi katulad dyan sa Pilipinas. Iba ang style nila dyan, iba naman dito. So, maganda yung dito kasi lilinisin muna yung buong paa mo. May kasamang masahe. Tapos, malilinis na yung kuko mo. Malalagyan pa ng cutex. So, ayan, ganyan siya. O yan, iba-iba ang kulay niyan. May puti, may pink, may orange. So, ayan, may blue. So, ganyan nila inaasikaso yung. See guys, how you relax here.
Because if the